Hello there everyone, I'm Austin, and firstly I would like to show you the main module and membership system of Sports Center Mega Program. And let's get started. In the main module is to import every single module and link everything up. As you can see, we use Tkinter for our GUI. This is how the main frame of the GUI is made. Let me show you. So yes, this is the main module. Then for the buttons, every one of these are buttons, and all of them route into another module of another function. See, module, function, module, function. And these are just labels, and let's get started for the membership. And for the membership system, there is a login page as first because it starts with the login codes. And for this, we also use Tkinter and JSON for the database. And this is the GUI phase. And let's skip to the input. So this is how we do the inputs. As you can see, this is where we type it. This is the frame. This is a small frame, the black frame, which is just this line. Then for this is how we do the telling the program what to do when the user click in or click out. And as you can see here, the function below, and these are the functions. Okay, so every single one of these are the same, so I'll skip it. And this is the words below with the button also leading to another functions and another button, which is small sign up button. So if I just randomly type a username, randomly type a password, of course it wouldn't work because the login button will once pressed, it will compare it to the JSON file. So yes, you see, not it didn't work. Because it will compare to the JSON file and anything that's not in it, so that it won't be used. Then let's sign up for another one for the sake of the presentation. So let's put admin 1 2 3 4 5, and then let's do testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, and sign up. Oh, but both password should match. Oh yes, I typed it wrongly. Testing 1 2 3. So as you can see, the sign up system sign up page work. Let me show you the sign up page. So for the inputs are all the same, so I won't show them to you again. And the sign up, this is just to make sure the your password is strong enough. If it's strong enough, it will move on to the next one. And there is also like to check if you have the username is taken already or not. And next up to the membership. So everything is also the same. It's just with the additional of TTK combo box. So let's randomly choose any. Let's say name 1, name 2. Then I'll put yes, yeah, and submit. So it's successfully signed up, and then the QR can be shown here, but this is a demo, so no QR is shown, and it will close by itself. So now everything is saved up. Let's now log in. So the username of admin 1 2 3, and then testing 1 2 3 4 5. If I'm not wrong. Oh, something's wrong. So let's check it up with the JSON file. So this is all of the information stored, and these are all the password and name stored. So just now it's 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3. Okay, I messed it up. On admin 1 2 3 4 5, testing 1 2 3. So you see everything is printed out correctly. As you can see after the login, it reads the JSON file and prints out everything. So that's about it for the membership system. And for the point, you will see in other modules, and it's kept very short because of time constraint. Let's move on to the next person.
My name is Heston, and I'll be explaining the code for my inventory system and code booking. So let's start with the inventory system. So for our inventory manager, so this will be our set of code. We use a dictionary to we implemented a dictionary to simplify our code to make it more manageable for JSON. And this is randomly generated code to substitute for our barcode, as you'll see in the example later. We have these simple functions of adding items, removing items, finding items, and viewing inventory. So the whole gist of it will be explained in the example. And we also have a help button for new workers who doesn't know how to operate this code. So let's say we want to add shuttlecocks. We have 10 and the price for it is 0.5. So we add it. It's been added with the random code generated here, our ID. So when we view our inventory, here is the shuttlecock that I added. So when we remove the shuttlecock that I added, since it's already moved, and then if we view our inventory again, it is gone. So yeah. And then this is the help button to allow users to understand how our code works. So instructions such as adding items, updating or restocking, finding items in the inventory, removing, and notes. So that explains the inventory. And moving on to the core booking. This is the UI of it, and this is the start of our code. So noting members here, the comment means that we saved our members in this membership login, which is saved in the JSON database, so that we can recall it whenever we want to. Yeah, so we save bookings such as, let's say we want to book badminton court 1 with the time slot of, let's say 4 to 5, which is currently. And then we can just leave it blank, book now. So when you look at this is booked by guest. Yeah. So it's saved in the file, it's saved in the JSON database. And this is our time slots, which you can see here. It is interactive and it's constantly updated. And for this is the part where we need to be a member. This part login to actually enter my name. So let's say I want to enter my own name. Let's book the same time again. Yeah. So now it says it's selected by, it's already selected. So this is our error handling. So let's say on the book 5 to 6. It's username not found. That means I am not logged into this this part of the code. So that means I cannot actually enter username. And now onto the admin panel. So this whole part is used for users to reset their quote, the port that they booked if they made any error in making the booking. So right here, there's clear booking, change username. So let's say I booked this one, 4 to 5, and I want to clear it. Yep, it's been cleared and it's already updated here. Yeah, and that's about it for my, and that's it for my code.
A very good day to Mr. Brian and other lecturers. Today I'll be going to be talking about my group's program, specifically on the casual system part. As you can see here, when I click onto the casual icon on our program's main menu, this user interface shows up. On the left here, there is a list of inventory items with their respective prices and number of stock in the inventory. Now I will briefly show you how the program works. So let's say if I were to add 3 footballs into the cart, the customer's cart, but here there is only 2. Program will return that there is not enough stock for the football. However, if I were to add an item which is not available in the inventory, such as an apple, program will return that that particular item is not in the inventory. What if I mistakenly entered a negative integer for the quantity section over here? For example, -2. Press the add to cart button. It will not work, saying that the program says that the integer must be positive in order for it to continue to work. If I were to add, for example, 5 badminton rackets and 10 tennis rackets, customer wants to buy it. So just type the item names. And each of them have 20% discount. Just type the discount percentage and press the add to cart button. Same with the tennis racket. I press the view cart button. There is 5 badminton rackets and 10 tennis rackets, which I've just added. And here is the section which basically the casual enters his or her username. If the customer wants to continue, if the customer wants to pay for his or her purchase of items, I just press the checkout button over here, and the receipt is printed out telling that how much the customer needs to pay. The program is used by an inexperienced casual which probably is working only on the first day. He or she can just press the help button over here and the instructions will pop up guiding he or her how to use the program. Now moving on to our program, the program's codes. This session allows the program to be prepared so that it runs more effectively and the data to be managed more easily. This here is the section which is connected, which connects the casual system with the inventory system. This is the display cart function over here. If nothing is in the cart, the program will return your cart is empty. Or else it will print out the item names, the quantity added at their respective prices. And here is the add to cart function. And here is the remove from cart button. And this section calculates the total amount of money which the customer needs to pay. And here is the checkout function. If nothing is in the cart, program return the cart is empty and there's nothing to check out. And moving on, this section calculates the number of points which the member has obtained from his or her purchase and is added into his or her balance. This is the contents of the receipt just now. That's all for me and our group. I hope our presentation will allow you to understand better on how our program works. Thank you for listening.
In addition to that, we also can print out receipts using these codes, where as you can see, this is my cart, and after checking out, this is what is shown in the screen for the cashier. Then it will also save it as a text file as a receipt. As you can see, it's exactly the same. This is a receipt for non-users, and this is a receipt for users where the gain points are. And that will be all. Thank you.